Here's my recipe for quick and easy lo mein. To make this recipe, you'll need egg noodles that are fresh, blanched, and cooled. You'll need some bean sprouts, celery, green onions, sliced onions. You'll also need some Napa cabbage or some type of green vegetable. You'll need ginger and garlic for flavoring. The sauces you'll need to flavor this dish are soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, and you'll need a little bit of salt and also cooking oil to keep it from sticking to your pan. Start with a wok or non-stick skillet and bring it to medium heat. Add a little bit of oil and onion. Stir until your onions are about a quarter ways done. You just want to cook them long enough so that some of the rawness comes out of the onion. Now add in your ginger and your garlic. Stir that around, add your veggies. We put in our Napa cabbage first, and then some bean sprouts, and our celery. Cook this until your veggies are softened and add your green onions. Now add in your blanched noodles. Add in some salt, oyster sauce, and soy sauce. Give that a stir and add a little bit of sesame oil. Now it's ready to plate. And that's how you make lo mein restaurant style. Ever wonder why this dish is sometimes called lo mein and sometimes called chow mein? Well, the difference lies in the way it's cooked. When you cook lo mein, you stir it. When you cook chow mein, you toss it. No matter how you make it, it ends up being this delicious plate of noodles. And now I can't wait to dive into this because I eat it all. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.